How to download GTA San Andreas on Android. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can download GTA San Andreas on our phone. So let's just dive right into the video without any delay. So one of the most easiest way is directly heading over to the Play Store. If you're on Android, you can just open it up and you should be finding the apps on the homepage of the Play Store. Once you are here, you can use the search bar in order to search for GTA. You can just go ahead and type in that and you will be given results. So from the results given, go ahead and locate the option that says GTA San Andreas. And once you are here, you should be finding download option. But in order to download that mobile version, you need to pay a certain amount. For now, we need to pay $19.99. You can just go ahead and tap on it. Complete the payment method. You can just go ahead and add a debit card or credit card and complete the payment method. After the payment is completed, you should be able to download the game onto your device. So that is it for now. That's how you download GTA on your phone. So I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching this video.